Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be covering the Autocad 3D move faces. Actually, for some of my students, you have this on your assignments. This is actually a pretty easy modification that you can do to a drawing, just understanding what you want to move. Uh, One of the assignments that I give, it looks like this. This isn't the exact dimensions. I just drew it real quick, but this is a speaker, and one of the assignments is to take that speaker and move this up to where it's, instead of it being 4 units long, it's 6 units long. So that's a difference. It's 4.5 long to 6, so there's a difference of 1.5 in there. So you want to move this up 1.5. uh, and I'm going to show you a couple things. First of all, right up here, move faces shares with these other ones. um, it asks to select the face right off the bat. It doesn't ask for the object. It asks for the face. So a lot of students want to pick this. Let me start that over again. They want to pick this face, then they want to pick this face and this face because I'm wanting this to go up, and they'll go around and they'll pick this and they'll pick this, then they will click here, and I want to go up 1.5. This isn't the exact one. I'm just going to type 5, and you do it, and now this looks correct. You've moved the faces. The problem is that's not what you want. You want to move this face up, but you want this arc to continue being an arc. What I did now is I stretched this arc out. I did not let it continue as a normal arc. So I'm going to go back and show you how you do this. I'm going to go move faces, and I'm just going to click this face right here, just that one. That's it. I hit enter. Then I just pick out here anywhere because I don't really care. I'm going to go up or down, so I don't need to be right on it. I'm just going to click here, make sure my ortho is on, and I'm going to type in 5. And see, as you can see, the arc was able to continue, and this top, this surface, this face got smaller as compared to this. This is the correct way it should look because this arc should have the same way that it's going. By doing it this way, you've actually altered that arc. Now, if this was just a cube, all 4 sides were straight, then it wouldn't matter which way you did it because that all goes straight. But in this case, I'm going to undo this real quick, and I'm going to do it again just to kind of exaggerate it. I'm going to go up 7, and you'll see that top. See, it's getting smaller and smaller because I'm allowing this arc to go up, and it'll get to a point that it'll hit this back, and you won't have a top. Whereas this one, I can go and go move faces, pick all these sides, and I could type in 20. As you can see, it still went up, but it it actually, I don't think that went up. Let me try that again. I think it just moved it. Let's try that again. I'm going to go up 20. See, and as you can see, this surface top stayed the same. Okay, and now this arc is almost getting non-existent. It's getting flatter and flatter. So this is how you don't want to do it. Whenever you want to move just one face and keep all the other faces going in their same direction, then you only want to select that one top like I did here. I'm going to undo this back to the beginning. Here we go. So again, to do the move, I kind of went back and forth between yes and no, or bad or good. I want to show you the correct way. Move faces. You pick that face. Oops. See, as you can see, it didn't pick my face. It picked those ones on the other side. You hear me talking about this in other videos. Sometimes you have to back up, start over. See, it picked the correct one this time. I hit enter. and I just point anywhere to take it up, and I'll just type in 5, and you can see it moved it up 5, continuing that arc correctly. Nice little tool, nice little editing tool, so you don't have to go back and redraw something. But just remember that when you move a face, if you move all the other ones with it, uh, then you won't get that continuality of, say, an arc, or even if it was an angle. If this had been an angle, it would flatten it out. And that concludes my video on move faces. Thank you.